This 2024 Coachmen Adrenaline 30GS is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Huntley, Illinois, 60142 and is offered for sale by General RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Coachmen is 37 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 6, slide-out, and 98 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features front bedroom, 2 entry/exit doors. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.